I will be against them in the day of judgment. Three categories of people, I will be against them in the day of judgment. Your Islamic lectures will be longer before the day of judgment. And your salah 5 times a day will be very shorter. The most authentic and original book in the world. There is no doubt in it and a guidance to those who are muttaqeen. You smile to your brother, it's a charity. There is no difference between black and white, upper and lower, between the richer section of the society and poorer section of the society, between the prime minister, between the president and rickshaw puller, labor and factory worker. Everyone is completely equal, totally equal, 100% equal in the eyes of Islam. The most certain thing in our life is death, and the most uncertain thing in our life is the time of death. Whoever seeks anything except Islam, that will be not accepted, and he will be the loser in Akhirah. People will start to compete for instructing the high-rise buildings in the cities. No, it's completely wrong, because they don't just write down the Holy Quran in printed copy. They memorize the verses of Quran in their own hearts. Now the decision is yours. You wanna be successful or unsuccessful. The most trustworthy personality, moral and ethical instructions. Small people talk about people. Average people talk about things and stories. And great people talk about ideas. Everyone has privacy. And no one should interfere in his privacy or in her privacy. Whoever seek anything except Islam, that will be not accepted to Allah. And he will be the loser in hereafter. No excuse will be granted that day. They move from the one corner of the country to the another corner. So there is no difference between black and white, between upper and lower, between the richer section of the society and poorer section of the society, between the prime minister, between the member of the parliament and the factory worker, rickshaw puller. Everyone is totally equal, 100% equal in the eyes of Quran and Islam. If anyone steal something precious, the government, the authority should cut down his right hand. It's our pleasure. We are proud of it. The situation is totally out of control. It's out of the capacity of the management committee. This adrenaline hormone triggers up your body's fight response. You cannot say it any journey expecting special virtue except 3 mosques. The Mosque of Haram, the Mosque al-Nabawi, the Masjid al-Aqsa. He lead the way. He lead the way. Neta kare bole, who knows the way, who goes the way, who shows the way, he's the leader. When you are done with your salah, spread out to your workplace. Your Islamic lectures will be longer and your salah will be shorter. I will be against them in the day of judgment. 3 categories of people, I will be against them in the day of judgment. They should understand the pulse of the citizen.